SCANGRIP presents a full range of specialized LED solutions for UV curing to perform fast and high-quality curing of any body and paint repair. The automotive coatings technology is continuously developing new fast, cost-effective methods for automotive body and paint repair. Utilizing UV LED curing technology allows you to work faster and more efficiently as the curing time between each operation is reduced significantly. The Nova UV-S is an extremely powerful, rechargeable LED light designed for larger cure areas. No heat is produced on the panel or the paint during the curing, which allows curing of plastic parts or any heat-sensitive material. Sanding and polishing can be done immediately after the curing is completed. It is fast curing, only 1 minute. The rechargeable handheld UV light is perfect for small and medium cure areas. The UV pen is useful for spot repair and curing of car door edges and other narrow areas. For more information, visit us at www.scangrip.com.